Motorola is expected to unveil the Edge 50 Pro at an event in India on April 3rd, but today a new report claims the Edge 50 Fusion will also get official on the same day. Today we have another Edge 50 Fusion leak which reiterates its specs while giving us some official-looking renders, so let's dive in. The renders show the Motorola handset in ballad blue, peacock pink, and tidal teal, with a hole punch cutout on the display for the selfie camera. It is seen with minimal bezels on the sides. The left spine of the handset is seen with the power and volume buttons. The volume button could also work as a fingerprint scanner. The Edge 50 Fusion is alleged to come with a curved 6.7-inch POL display. The Edge 50 Fusion is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, and its screen is protected by a sheet of Gorilla Glass 5. It will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone will have a 50-megapixel main rear camera with OIS alongside a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The handset could get a 5000 mAh battery with support for 68W wired fast charging. Pricing hasn't leaked per se, but is expected to be around $300 or 25,000 Indian rupees. We should likely learn more about the phone closer to its launch. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.